Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Learning with Harry. So today, this is the first video where we are discussing something about Google Sheet. Have you ever heard about the Google Sheet? If no, trust me, this video gonna tell you some basic stuff why you can also learn Google Sheet along with Excel. Because world is changing, you need to adopt some new technologies. So without wasting of time, let's see what's our agenda for this video. So if you see, we have a four agenda for today video, that is Google Sheet journey, how basically it was actually developed and we are using it today, and after that we will check some advantages of Google Sheets, and obviously there are some limitations or you can say disadvantages and some basic features which make a Google Sheet win situation against Excel, or you can say it is easy to use in the Google Sheet. Some features we will learn. So obviously before that we are moving to journey. I request everyone to subscribe my channel Learning with Harry, so you can learn some different aspects. There are Google Sheet, Excel, stock market, PowerPoint presentation. So this PPT, I'm just telling you, obviously we will go to my Gmail account to know how you can create a Google Sheet and you can share with your friends and colleagues. So G Sheet basically is a Google Sheet. I'll describe as G Sheet in my video. Wherever I'm telling G Sheet, it basically representing Google Sheet. So Google Sheet is basically a spreadsheet program like we have a Excel. It is similar program, and it is available in the mobile. You can also, like if you have a Gmail account with you, you can go to Drive and you can create one Google Sheet for your day-to-day expenses tracking, or you can, if you have small business, you can also do recording of certain expenses or like something, as I'm recording my monthly expenses in my Google Sheet. Obviously you can also use this in your desktop because I'm using my laptop as of now, and it was originated from Excel to web technology. Later this was acquired by Google in 2006. Now Google Sheet is available in 83 languages across globe, and it is written in JavaScript. So if you have well-versed knowledge about JavaScript, this will you will be pro in Google Sheet. And obviously owner of this is one and only one, Google LCC. So moving to Google Sheet pros, what are some advantages? Obviously these are the things advantages as per my side, because I am using in Google Sheet for last 2-3 years. So these are the things which are advantages. Obviously you can comment what are the advantages according to you, or something which we are discussing here. And obviously we will go to Google Sheet live. We will create one Google Sheet. I will tell you what are the advantage now. Obviously if you have Gmail account, let me just enable my pen. If you have Gmail account, you can directly create your Google Sheet. Simply just go to Drive. How you can go to Drive, we will learn it, and it's obviously free. You have 15 GB if you are using your individual account, and if you have corporates, I don't know how these are working, depending upon the plan you acquired from that. And it is very easy to use against Excel. Trust me, it is very easy to use. And if you have something like you wanted team to work on a particular sheet, the Google Sheet is winner, simply winner for this. And you can also, like suppose I have a team of 4 members, they are working together, and by mistake they have done something which is they should not do. I wanted to revise earlier version, like last 1 hour, what was the version? I can simply click revise that version. Sheet will just create me for that version which was there 1 hour before. And G Sheet is accessible from any system. You have to just log into your Google account. Simple. And offline editing. Suppose my Wi-Fi connectivity gone or the network connectivity gone, You can also do some editing offline when the network is available. The sheet will directly get updated, whatever the version you have updated. Obviously, you guys can comment what are the advantages if you can discuss something which are not advantages according to you, or you can comment some more advantages if you know. These are the some basic advantages. And now moving to cons. When it comes to large data, guys, you have to trouble a lot. You have to wait a lot. If you have a patience, a Google Sheet is for you. Otherwise, it will just run as a very slow. And the visualization options are very limited, guys. And the formula is again compared to Excel, because Google Sheet is new and we are not using much. I'm talking about general public, they are not using much about Google Sheet because they are less awareness about this. So there are less formulas, but trust me, there are certain formulas which we gonna learn in our some further videos. It will just tell you ki it is winner for against the Excel. Some unique formulas which are created in Google Sheets. And limited customization option compared to Excel. You have a limited customization option, and this is my weakness, or you can say disadvantages as per me. Limited hands-on, because the product is new and we are not using into day-to-day compared to Excel, because in Excel you can blindly use your formulas, but in Google Sheet you have to think first. Down the line, 5 to 10 years, trust me, it gonna create or capture a lot of market compared to Excel. Now some features which we gonna learn live, and this I will tell you to how to create a Google Sheet and your features, and obviously you have to comment what other features you are liking about the Google Sheet. Moving to first share 5 directly. So let me just go to my Gmail account. So this is my Gmail account now which I'm using. Once you log in, you can go to here. If you see this tab, Google Apps, click on that. You have a Drive option. Obviously you can use other options, but for this video we're gonna learn how to create a Google Sheet. Click on Drive. It will open another Windows. So now I don't have anything into my Google Drive for this Gmail account. I'll simply click this. By clicking on this, you will get certain option like folder. You can upload file, upload folder from your computer to this particular Google Drive, or we can create a Google Sheet. First, let me just create a one folder. First video for G Sheet. So we will be using this folder for our Google videos. Let me double click it and go to this new option, plus option, create a Google Sheet. Now directly one untitled spreadsheet will be created, because the title is not given by Google, so you have to give a title. Let it just create. It will just hardly take 30 seconds to create blank spreadsheet for you, or Google Sheet basically for you. So Google Sheet is ready now, almost. Let me just go to my presentation. It is shared, you can share directly from the sheet. Now let me just give this G Sheet first video. This is my name, so you can go to this file, reload this. So this is Google Sheet which we have just created. Go here. Now if you can see here, there is an option share. So what I'm doing, I'm sharing this Google Sheet with my another account, which is my original account. I can just given access. So once you create this on my another account or mobile, I have actually got one notification that one sheet is shared with you. You can open it. So one advantage is one person is added. Now I am opening from my mobile that Google Sheet which I have got shared from this account. See, I will get here a person name or image which is currently using this Google Sheet. So this person is using this Google Sheet. My account is there, and my cursor, if you see here, this is my cursor from another account. So I can relate this color. If you can see pink color, certain pink color, and my cursor is here. So I'm just changing my color to column first. See, it is moving through. So I'm just writing in my mobile that it is testing. So let's see whether it's working or not. So see, this is a very good advantage of Google Sheet, where you can work collaboratively with your colleagues, where you can share this file, and this sheet will tell you last edited was made by a person which is Happy Singh, that is my account. So this is an advantage where you can share this file directly with colleague and collaborate in the real time. So we have also seen a person is using Google Sheet and from another account can do anything changes. Let me just type again testing. So it is a real time. So if you can see just flashes of second, whatever another user is using, you can see your data on your screen. Save data to automatically. So now if you close this, you don't have to go and click on save as we are using in Google Microsoft Excel. In this sheet you don't have to go and save. So this is a very good option where you are losing your data for working for so many hours. If you don't save it, you will lose it. So for this winner is Google Sheet again. Manage version history. Like if you see, this is made changes by Happy Singh a few seconds ago. Click on that, you will see today's January and sheet which we have just created 9:23 p.m. I'll click on it and restore this version. Once you click this, it will ask you pop-up whether you wanted to restore. It will just restore to version that we just created, because we just created a blank sheet and now the sheet is blank. And let me just move out from my account which I am using from another. See, the name and dialog got disappeared, so I am not using that sheet anymore from my another account. So manage history is again advantage. Create filter view. So let me just create one sample data like students and marks, A B C D E, and some marks. That's not important for this video. Now suppose I wanted to go for the data and I wanted to filter it. I can go and use filter. This is a simple thing which we are doing in Excel, but there's another option. Suppose you have a team of 4 members and all of them are using this sheet. It is difficult for other user when I'm using filter option. So there's a very good option which is available over here. If you can see, turn off filter option is available. Create a new filter. So what it will do, it will just create a one blank filter, or you can say temporary filter, just for you or whoever it is using. So I'm just giving my name, and the range is obviously you can select whatever the range you're using. So I'm just selecting my whole AB column. So whatever I am doing right now, if another person is getting, suppose I'm just filtering B and another person is opening this data, let me just open it again into another tab. See, it will open a blank simple sheet and the filter which was built original, not a temporary filter. So this is a temporary filter which is useful for only you. So this is a again very good option. Filter view option is available, and you can also record a macro using Google Script. Go to here, script editor. You can record your macros or write your macros in Java language. And add a formula, use a formula suggestion. Now this is a very interesting option which I liked it. So let me just enter one simple formula which is sum. So when you open a blank cursor, you can see the description. The formula will give you the syntax of the formula and obviously the example of the formula, or you can use another sum if. So now see, this is the option, or you can say these are the example given by Google Sheet, which is very useful for the people who are not much familiar with the formula. So this is again for you guys. You can use the formula, description is there, and example is also given for your easy understanding to create a formula. And limited hands-on, as I've told you, these are the features. Again, don't create a pivot table manually automatically. Now let me just create a pivot table. Obviously we will have a separate video for pivot table. Go to your data and you should have a pivot table option. Again, the same new sheet. So like this, you will get option in the row. I wanted the student name should appear. Again, this is the data, which obviously data we don't have a much data now. So simply you have this sheet, and if you're making any change here, you don't have to go and refresh it. It will just refresh by default on the basis of the data you are updating it. This is a very interesting option. And create chart manually automatically. Obviously if you wanted to create a certain chart, select your data, go to chart, see what Google Sheet is giving you. By default they'll give you certain options, so you can change your chart type from here, whatever you wanted. You can see what are the charts available or you wanted to show you, and the map option is also available if you are representing certain things geographically. It will just change your data. Obviously the data is not much distributed. Now you can see what are the percentage for ABCD. So these are some advantages which are available for the Google Sheet. Certain features like share file directly, I liked it very much, and the collaborative work you have already seen. We are using different accounts and real-time data is automatically getting updated and saving it. And obviously you have a revision, version history, and the filter view. These are the certain options which are making Google Sheet pros. So I liked it because of these certain features. So comment your thoughts. What are the benefits you are getting from these options? And obviously the summary, if you compare Google and Excel, it is not a right time to compare because we are using Excel from last personally I'm using Excel since last 10 years. I'm not sure how much time since how many years you are using it. You can comment it, what are your views. So G-Sheet is a very best spreadsheet application with some unique features. Obviously we will learn some tricks for the Google Sheet as well. So for that I believe you have subscribed to the channel, or if you're not, please do subscribe, because there are certain things which making Google Sheet pro compared to Excel. But we are using Excel because we are we have a habit of using that. So it is difficult to move certain different technology, but trust me, it is a very useful. For if you're not using, just go to your Google account and create one simple Google Sheet and track your expenses, your personal expenses for a particular month, and do your own analysis as I suggested in Pareto video. And so this is not a right time to give opinion whether Google Sheet is in or Excel. You can also comment what you like. And obviously a very big thanks to all of you who have watched this video and share this video with your colleagues, guys. So we will learn certain tricks for Google Sheet from our next video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, guys. Thanks a lot and have a great day, guys. Take care.